Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you what to do if your DBS verification code or OTP isn't arriving. So first, check that the mobile number registered with DBS is correct. Make sure your phone has a working cellular connection and can receive normal SMS messages. Then give the OTP a little time to arrive before requesting another one. And if you've requested multiple codes, then use the latest OTP you receive. Next, check your phone's blocked message or spam settings and make sure important SMS messages aren't being filtered or blocked. If that doesn't work, you can also try restarting your phone and then try the DBS digibank process again. And if you're using a dual SIM phone, then confirm that your registered number is active and able to receive SMS messages. Also check whether your phone has sufficient network coverage. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.